Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete sections of Wix. Let's get started. So as of right now, you can see me on my Wix website. And so in here first, I have this section, which is the product section. So under that, I have here a duplicate of that section. So I want to delete the duplicate right here, which is only a copy. So in order to delete that, what I can do is I can click on these three dots right here, and then I can see the more action. In here, you can see the delete button. So you can just click on that, or you can also just click on the delete button on your keyboard. So I will just click this one in here. And once I have clicked on that, it will delete that specific section. As you can see, the section has been deleted and we can no longer see it. Next thing you can do is to just save your progress and then publish your site, as you can see right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete sections of Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.